Hey, it's your girl Tracy from Handmade Design. What's up? And this is Christmas Day, okay? 2020, and I want to say Merry Christmas to all who celebrate Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. So I know it's been a while you guys haven't heard from me or seen me, but I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm still here. I'm just working so hard on my shop. Check out my website at www.handmadedesign.com. Okay, I know you see videos with me saying .org, but I've changed my domain to .com. Yeah, I like it more. That's better. People are used to .com more. And yeah, and check out that website. I have a lot of silicone molds over there, a lot of craft over there, jewelry, clay jewelry, because you know that's what I do. And I'm adding a new thing to my website. Oh God, guys, I've been wanting this thing forever, and it's Christmas Day. Check it out. It is definitely Christmas Day. There was a bunch of gifts. I just cleaned up. My kids just ravaged through their gifts. It's a happy Christmas. And I just want to say I hope blessing and peace to all of you guys. So yes. So I did the unboxing already because I got it. I literally bought this for myself, but I opened it with the kids. It came in that big box. That's a surprise. Okay. Came in that big box. I know you can see a little right there. Let me try to zoom it up or stuff like that. So yeah. So anyways, it came in that box and this box. Look at what I got. So I opened it, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So yes, I got the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and I got the mint color, you know, tea looking color. I saw this and I just wanted it because I wanted to add stickers to my shop, which you guys will be able to order now because I'm going to create. I've been studying and practicing. I always do that before I get a machine, and I saved enough. And this was on sale. Oh my God, they were up in price. I was nervous. I was like, oh my God, I'm not going to get my Christmas gift. But then it was there again on Amazon for $179. Great deal. It came good, okay, and I'm so proud and happy about it, and I'm excited, so excited to go and use it. I'm literally on my computer over here. This is my whole setup, guys. I need to do a little video showing you guys my setup of my little work area. I take up most of my kitchen area, like literally, you know, and I have to share it to the kids and share everything. But yeah, we got to do what we got to do in our little space. Hopefully I can upgrade soon. But thank you guys for supporting the shop. The silicone molds, I have a lot of different crafts and a lot of different stuff that is coming out. So look out for that. I have a lot of silicone molds on here. That's my 3D printer. Made a little housing for it. Like, I'm so handy, guys. Yeah. Before I even go into the machine, you know, I wanted to show one of the big gifts that I literally made a whole dollhouse for my daughter, but I'll do another video with that. But let's get into it. Enough talking. So as I said, came in this box. It's over there. I already took it out. Came in this box. Came in also that box over there. Came in that box over there. There. Nice. Beautiful. I keep the box. And yeah. So I was fondling. It was taped, packaged properly. I was fondling. And you know what? I was supposed to get it. The day I was supposed to get it delivered, I got a message that, oh, they attempted to deliver it. That was like Christmas Eve. They attempted to deliver it, you know, Wednesday, before Christmas Eve. And I was like, attempted, there's no issue to deliver. And in the night I forgot about it. I'm like, okay, the next day they will bring it in. Oh my God, I was so nervous. I was like, I hope I get it, because all this rushing, you know, UPS is doing what they can do and USPS is working hard and backed up and stuff. And I'm like, oh my God, I want to get it. So excited. I want to get the stuff. OMG. And then guess what? I wasn't thinking. My sister had sent me something and asked me to check if it came. I went outside and looked, and her stuff didn't come, but my package was right there. I was like, God is good. Yay. So yeah. So I have it. I was ripping it apart. Guys, when you get your box, let me show you what not to do. Don't do this. Don't try to repair. I don't know why. I guess it's excitement, but this was just right here to do that. I was ripping here, guys, like, I don't know, first thing. But once you take this out, this goes easy. Voila. And then it came in the box nicely. It's not in the box. The first thing you see is this, the mat. It's a blue matte. I like the green one. I don't know because I see so much people have it, but this is nice. It's the same thing. It's just blue, and it right there it says light grip. Blue. I'm gonna buy some more. I already ordered a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna order extra stuff because once you get the machine, guys, you are going to want to just order everything. If you're a designer and a creator like me, like you, I want everything one time. I've already ordered everything to come with it that I want. Not everything. Some is coming late, like the sticker papers and stuff like that, the tools, all that is coming in the mail. So this is how it came. It came in this big box. Let me see if I can. And it came on both sides secure, you know. Oh gosh, let me just put it back in. But there, let me give you the idea. It was between these things, and these things were underneath, just the same. So I took it out and I placed it over there, as you can see. We're gonna get to it later. It comes. Let me show you what comes in the box, though. So it came in the box, secured. It was well secured, well packed, firm, because you know, package be throwing all over the place and it got to be secured. So it was well secured. I was proud of that, happy with that. So this is the little packet that come in here to get started. You have the adapter here, well secured and everything, and it comes with a card here. This is a USB to connect it to the computer or so forth, and it comes with this pen here, and it comes with a blade. Oh, this is that. So there's nothing else that came in here. This is just candy paper for my kids. Nothing else that came in here. Nothing else. And then yeah, we're gonna get to this soon. But let's get to the baby. Okay? So let's go over here to the baby. So it came sealed in this, and they say you can use it back, but it's very flimsy. So once it's already ripping. But yeah, I keep it because I ordered also the thing to go over it that's protected from dust. I ordered one of that. Guys, listen, you're a creator, you want everything to just start right away and get everything right away. Look at this baby. Come on. It's so pretty. I was so excited. I got other gifts, but this is the one to remember, and this is the one I bought myself, okay? Yeah. So it comes with all the amenities. You can put tools in here, the tools that are coming. It comes with a slot right here for, it's like the disc, like game disc and stuff you can put with your designs on it. The open button over here. Look at that color, guys. White. I just love it. It's so pretty, like, and shiny and clean. And the dial, everything is there, you know, all the buttons. We're gonna figure out every single thing and stuff like that. So it comes Bluetooth, they say, yeah, wireless and stuff, and offline. But let's go ahead and press that button and see that baby work. I just love doing this. Oh, sorry, I didn't press. Look at that. Yo, isn't that just cute? I'm so excited. And you put the tools, you can put all the blades and tools in here. Nice. I will be doing another video when I get everything. It comes, there was a white thing that come here. This was secured, you know, of course, in foam, white foam. I took it off, as you can see, shiny and pretty. And yeah, this is one of the tools that came with this. I'm going to figure out all these things. Like, I don't want to tamper with nothing much, but I get this tool right here, and you have another. You can put another tool there. I'm going to be buying tools to see what I want, but it comes with a fine point blade. And yeah, look at the baby. Look at the baby. Can you believe it? It's here. I'm so excited to make the stickers, add them to my shop. You can order stickers from me, guys. Check it out. I'll be having more videos as much as I can, but my daughter came up and I have bought my kids, and it's just a wonderful time, and I'm just blessed, you know, with all the struggles that's going on out there. I hope everybody can be safe, but I'm just blessed, and I give that thanks. It wasn't easy. I had to sacrifice some money and stuff like that, but I just wanted one thing for Christmas, one thing to just add to my business, that I'm ever growing, ever adding stuff. My polymer clay jewelry, my 3D printer. I give God thanks. I always give God thanks. My printer, it's just a Canon printer. I did an unboxing, I think, for this. I did not do an unboxing for this. I should have done it, but listen, sometimes I'm so excited I don't do an unboxing, but I wanted to do it for this one. I will do a video on my 3D printer. It's a longer 3D printer. It's doing its job. It's doing good, you know. It's doing good. It's doing the thing. And yeah, you know, I got my lights, like lot of stuff been just going on, so I'm gonna be coming with the videos. Just bear with me. But back to the baby right here. Yes, so you will be seeing a lot. I'm gonna be doing a lot of research, a lot of stuff I'm gonna be doing and reading up. I've been doing it, but I like to just do my research. So it comes in this so this is the packet that come with it. So let's see what comes inside of it. Bear with me, I'm using one hand, guys. Let me just do it on, probably do it on this box. On the box over here. Because everything is in the way right now. So let me just do it on top of the box. Yeah. So it can come with these books. So it come in here is warranty, of course. It comes with this welcome thing telling you what to do. It came with some little test paper, like this is kind of cool. You can see the grits. It has some grits all over it. It's a nice, I don't know what they call that one, but yeah. It come with like 3 different pieces. So yep. The camera is shaking is because I'm holding it. I didn't put it on the tripod because of the location and all the stuff in the way. It come with the Let's Go, and it come with, as I said, 3 different pieces of card you can test for you to test out the machine. The book telling you all the things that needs to get ready, get started, you know. So yeah, instructions and so forth. My shadow is blocking. So yeah, it comes with that. You can check that out. And the Let's Go, it's so cute. I had opened this too and took it out. So it comes it comes with one Unleash. It's so cute and bright. This green is so cute. Yeah, and it, you know, this is just a cute little entrance to the book, to the let's get started. And yeah, so I'm definitely gonna get started. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and as I said, please like and subscribe to this video and check me out, follow my journey. Lots coming. I am working on a lot of stuff, and check out my website, my Instagram, guys, Handmade Zion. Look for Handmade Zion. Crafts is handmade_Zion_crafts, and that's on Instagram for that page, where you can see all my silicones and videos. And then you have Handmade Zion alone, Handmade Zion on Instagram again. So 2 page, guys, for just my crafts, for my jewelry, my clay jewelry and stuff like that. So, and now this will be on Handmade Zion. All the stickers and stuff will be along with my silicone mold on Handmade Zion on the crafts. Handmade_Zion_craft on Instagram. Links will be in the description. If it's not a link, it's going to be the information, because I'm still trying to figure out how to put the links in my description. Yeah. So yeah, you will see more about this. So see you in the next video.